wait for some people to get on here and make sure that I am straight and I'm not crooked. How's everyone doing today? It's definitely Monday. Hey, whoever just popped on, and am I straight? Give me a thumbs up or, hey Kayla! How are you, beautiful? Hey Lisa, am I straight, you guys? Hey Brittany. Say hi. Hey Terry. Yeah, look good. All right, awesome. Hey you guys, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get straight to the point here. So if you guys, most of you guys haven't heard, but and if you don't care about hair, then you probably won't care about this video. I'm just saying, if you don't care about your hair, then you probably don't want to watch this video. So talk to you on the other side. But you guys, okay, so we just got a brand new product and it is free with every order this month. And that goes for our VIP customers and our market partners with Monat. And the product is, I'm so excited. Okay, it is, actually, I just used it today. So give me a second. Okay, so our product is called the Purifying Charcoal. Is it jelly? I'll probably totally mess that up. Mask. So it's a charcoal mask, you guys. And so I want to tell you guys a little bit about this because I used it today. I don't know if you can tell, but I did not. So yeah, this is what I used today on my hair. And I'm in love. I really am. So what does it do? And I actually used it wrong. It could even be better than what this is right now because I actually did not use a conditioner after the mask. So I shampooed twice with the volume shampoo and then I rinsed it out very well and then I applied the mask. And what I did was I went in and I applied the mask and I massaged. You guys, this is for your scalp. This is for your scalp. If you have flaky scalp, if you have psoriasis, if you have anything that, if you have an unhealthy scalp, this is where you want to put it. So I just kind of massaged it all over in my scalp, massaged it all over, and then it also works on the rest of your hair. So I applied it. I kind of just split, my hair is really long. So I split it in two. I massage it in everywhere, and then I just go down. I just go down with it, and then I grab my little, my boar brush, I don't know what it is, and I just combed it in the shower. I combed it through, and I just wanted to make sure that it got all throughout my hair. So what is this charcoal mask? You guys, it's huge in Europe. It is absolutely huge. They love charcoal masks in Europe, and it's really big over there. Well, we just launched in the UK, so we're gonna bring some UK to America. What do you know? We're the best, right? So I'm gonna go over what all it does. Thanks, Katie. Thank you. I use my name. So anyways, this is what it does for you. So let me go over it first. Okay, so how to apply it. That's how you apply it. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse it out really, really well. And then you can apply your favorite conditioner. Now, what I didn't know was that part, and so I actually didn't use a conditioner afterwards. My bad. Read the directions before. Actually, I did read the back of the bottle, and I don't remember it saying that. It didn't. It didn't say it on the back of the bottle, but it does say it on the instruction card to apply a conditioner. So, but just so you know, if you make the mistake like I did and you don't apply a conditioner, don't worry about it because I'm pretty dang happy with my results. So, what did I notice when I used it? It smelled amazing. So we're getting ready to go on a cruise to Bermuda, and I'm like taking this with me because it smells like coconut. So it has coconut oils in it, which penetrates into your scalp, and so that's what helps it give a cleansing, clarifying, healthy scalp. So it's applying those pure oils to your scalp and to your hair. All right, so I'm gonna go over a little bit. And it can be used once, twice, 3 times a week. This instruction card says once or twice. Hey, Jordan. How are you? Hey, Chris. Hey, Sonia. All right, so you guys, so what are the benefits of this amazing mask? Contains an active charcoal blend to absorb dirt, grime, and other impurities. So it's absorbing them, getting rid of them, and then the activated charcoal blends, purifies, and removes buildup. So I hadn't washed my hair for 3 days, and it was like way overdue because, you know, I just colored my hair, and so I wanted it to last as long as I could. And so I haven't washed my hair for probably 3 days. So it definitely needed this charcoal mask. Okay, so gently conditions and provides a deep cleanse. Yay. Lightly hydrates with coconut oil to help reduce dryness and flakiness. Yay. And so this is kind of embarrassing, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you know, I have dry scalp, and so I use the rejuvenate oil on my hair, and it works amazing. Okay, here's the rejuvenate oil, and I promise you, I just want to like when I use it because it's so amazing. And I'll apply this, you know, once or I'll apply it probably twice a week, throughout my hair. And it makes it feel amazing. I have no more itching, I have no more flaking, and it feels incredible. It smells amazing. Of course, I use it more than just on my scalp, but I use it on my face, I use it on my body, I use it on my lips, my hair. There's over 101 uses, and I have a video on that. Find me on YouTube, and I go over the 101 uses of rejuvenate oil. So anyways, so what's next? Lightly hydrates with coconut oil. Okay, I already went over that. And hair looks and feels thoroughly cleansed. Yay, I can definitely feel that. Not only does it feel just clean, but it's still soft, it's still manageable, and it's still shiny. It's still shiny. So I love it. Yep. I'm a huge fan, and it smells amazing. It smells like coconuts. Like, I want to take this to Bermuda and just rub it on my body. I wonder if it'll give tans. All right, so scalp looks and feels refreshed and revitalized, and I can definitely feel like my scalp just feels like it's not inflamed, because of my dry scalp that I have. Ugh, I hate it, but you know what? A lot of us have it, unfortunately. So I'm really excited to be consistent with this and see what it does for my scalp. What's next? Improved performance is achieved from styling products. Okay, so I did not use any styling products because I really just wanted to find out the full benefits of what this is going to do to my hair. I'm a huge fan of the Rejuva beads. I'm a huge fan, which is our split-end mender. We actually just won a award for the Rejuva beads being our #1 product. And I always use the blowout cream because it works as a heat protectant. So these products were not applied to my hair today, and this is what I got. And I didn't even apply a conditioner. Don't do that. It says to apply a conditioner afterwards, so just a heads up. But this is what it is, and I love the smell of it. I smell like I'm already in Bermuda, walking the beach because it's full of coconut oils. It smells heavenly, and I feel like my hair is really, really clean and really, really soft. I love it. So anyways, you guys, if you want to try this amazing charcoal product, Masque, what is it again? Gelée? I think that, is that pronounced right? I don't know. Purifying Charcoal Gelée Masque. This you get free this month, and I can tell you more. Just private message me or private message the person that you've been talking to about Monat, and they'll tell you how to get this for free. It's the only for you product that comes in your order this month only. It is not to purchase anywhere else. You only get it free from having a flex ship order this month only. So grab it while you got it, and it ends on the 25th. So hurry up and grab yours ASAP. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna check out for now. I'll see you later. Bye.